this is my baby. This is my very first product that I invented. It's the We Love Eyes Eye Makeup Remover. It utilizes tea tree oil. And yes, I made this in my kitchen. It has 3 key ingredients. The first one is organic jojoba oil. The second ingredient is grapeseed oil. And the third ingredient is my favorite and optometrist's favorite ingredient, tea tree oil. A lot of my patients have blepharitis, and so what I decided to do was double the concentration of tea tree oil and put it in my cleansing oil. Forget baby shampoo, forget soap and water. This is a modern way to remove all that debris that can build up on your eyelids. So this is my We Love Eyes foaming cleanser. It's by far the most popular and my favorite product. It does, I won't say everything, but it does everything. So it washes off allergens off your eyelashes. It can wash off bacteria off your eyelashes. It can wash off Demodex off your eyelashes. It might even fix your marriage. I'm kidding about that. I shouldn't have put that in there. This is my PM eyelid butter. I have to confess I actually invented this for myself. As an eye doctor, I know that my eyelid skin is actually 4 times thinner than the rest of the skin on my face. And so when I was going to bed, I was working on trying to hydrate my skin when I should have been preventing dehydration from happening. And that's what the PM eyelid butter does. It contains key ingredients for the thin eyelid skin. Number 1, fatty acids. Number 2, ceramides. And number 3, cholesterol. So I have those ingredients in this little tube, but also the key ingredient is the last ingredient. So imagine a really intelligent antioxidant. It's called Spin Trap. Spin Trap will actually grab free radicals and convert them for usable oxygen for your eyelids, and this all happens while you're sleeping. What's not to love about Hypochlorous? Hypochlorous is one of my favorite products. It's ideal for my patients that have concerns when it comes to bacteria. You can spray it on your face as a facial toner, but what's great about Hypochlorous, it's 100% oil-free, it's 100% preservative-free, and you can choose to either leave it on or wash it off. So this is Hypochlorous. It's 0.012%. You can use it every day, and it's a great cleanser for your eyelids. I'm Gill, the founder and creator of We Love Eyes.